Hello students, today's topics are perfectly black body, emission of heat radiation and coefficient of emission. So what is mean by perfect black body? Perfect black body means a body which absorbs all the radiant energy incident on it is called a perfectly black body. And if R equals to 0 and T equals to 0, then A equals to 1. Students, you know that in the previous lecture we have learnt about coefficient of reflection, coefficient of transmission and coefficient of absorption. So here R is the coefficient of reflection, T is the coefficient of transmission and A is the coefficient of absorption. If R means coefficient of reflection is 0 and coefficient of transmission is 0, then coefficient of absorption is 1. It means all the incident energy is absorbed by the object. Such an object is called a perfect black body. For the study of radiation, a simple arrangement illustrated which was designed by Ferri and can be used as a perfect black body. Ferri's black body. This diagram shows a Ferri's black body. So let us see the construction of this Ferri's black body. It is an artificial black body which consists of a double wall hollow metal sphere having a small aperture. This diagram shows a double wall hollow metal sphere having a small aperture. This is an aperture, and the inner surface of the sphere is coated with the lamp black. Inner surface of the sphere is coated with a lamp black and outer surface is nickel polish. Okay, and it has a conical projection. This is the conical projection. This conical projection is diametrically opposite to the aperture. This is the aperture and this is conical projection. It is situated at diametrically opposite to the aperture, and the space between the two walls is evacuated to avoid loss of heat by conduction and convection. This space is the evacuated space, and this evacuated to avoid loss of heat by conduction and convection. Now, how it works? Let us see the working of this Ferri's black body. The radiant heat enters the sphere through this aperture. The radiant heat enters the sphere through this aperture. The radiant heat entering the sphere suffers a multiple reflection. यहाँ से ये कोनिकल प्रोजेक्शन पे जाता है, फिर यहाँ से ऐसे रिफ्लेक्ट होके ये रिफ्लेक्शंस मल्टीपल रिफ्लेक्शंस होते हैं. In each reflection 97% radiant heat is absorbed. So after a large number of reflections, almost all the radiant heat is absorbed by this sphere, and effective area of perfectly black body is equal to the area of the aperture. Thus, the aperture behaves like a perfect black body. This is the working of the perfectly Ferri's black body. Students, a hot black body emits more energy per unit area than cold black body, and perfectly black body does not exist in nature. However, lamp black absorbs approximately 97% of the radiant heat incident upon it. And for all practical purposes, lamp black can be treated as a perfectly black body. Lamp black means a finely powdered black fine particles deposited in incomplete combustion of carbonaceous material and used chiefly as a pigment, used as in paints, printing, inks, etc. students, see here, this is the construction and this is the working of a Ferris black body. Next topic is emission of heat radiation. So in 1792, Pierre Prevost published a theory of radiation known as the theory of exchange of heat. At the temperature 0 Kelvin or above it, what happens? Body radiates thermal energy and at same time they absorb radiation received from surrounding. The amount of thermal radiation emitted per unit time depends on the nature of emitting surface, its area and its temperature. Hotter body radiates at higher rate than the cooler body. Amount of heat radiated by the body depends on some factors. Which factors? See, the absolute temperature of body. Amount of heat radiated by the body depends on the absolute temperature of the body, the nature of the body. Nature means polished or not, or size or color. Then surface area of body. Then the time duration for which body emits radiation. Here amount of heat radiated is directly proportional to the surface area of body and time duration. Amount of heat radiated is Q, is directly proportional to the surface area of body is A and time duration is T. We will get here Q equals to RAT, whereas R is the constant of proportionality. It is called as emissive power or radiant power. R is called as emissive power or it is also called the radiant power. R equals to Q upon AT. Q is amount of heat radiated and A is the area and T is the time duration. So R means radiant power. Radiant power is defined as quantity of heat radiated per unit area per unit time. Okay. Now SI unit of this R means the emissive power is joule per meter square second, or it is also called watt per meter square, and dimensions of these emissive powers are L0, M1, T minus 3. Next topic is coefficient of emission or emissivity. Coefficient of emission or emissivity. What is the coefficient of emission or emissivity means? See, the coefficient of emission or emissivity is denoted by E, small e, of a given surface is the ratio of the emissive power of the surface to the emissive power of perfect black surface at the same temperature. R क्या है? R is the emissive power of the surface and RB is the emissive power of perfect black surface. Is the coefficient of emission is denoted by small e. It is the ratio of emissive power of the surface to the emissive power of perfect black surface. For a perfect black body, E emissive power equals to 1, and for a perfect reflection, emissive power equals to 0. Every objects are not ideal black body. Emissivity is larger for rough surfaces and smaller for smooth and polished surfaces. Emissivity also varies with temperature and wavelength of radiation to some extent. Thank you.